Here's how to scan documents on your iPhone and send them as a PDF through email. First, open the Notes app. Then tap the new note icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap the camera icon inside the note and select Scan Documents. Oh, this feature turns your iPhone into a scanner automatically. Hold your iPhone over the document, like a paper, contract, or form, and it will automatically detect and scan it. You can scan multiple pages if needed. Once you're done, tap Save, and the scanned document will be added to your note as a PDF. Now, tap on the scanned document, then press the Share icon at the top right. From here, select the Mail app. Oh, this will attach your scanned document as a PDF automatically. Now, just enter the email address, like your own or someone else's, and hit Send. After doing this, your scanned document will be delivered as a clean PDF file directly through email. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tutorials.